Welcome back! In this series I'm building a sheet round timber framing machine hull with no prior experience of this building technique. Since I built the structure on the ground, I now need to raise all the posts up to put the foundation stones underneath them. I will not do it in this order the next time, I just created more work for myself. In order to not lift the posts at an angle, which would start to pull the structure asunder, I use straps and boards to stabilize it. I learned as I went along that I should use more rather than less. This is the uncomfortable part. The beam just above my head was pulling away from its post by me lifting the post up. I took it slow, but I just didn't spot it. If I would have used more boards and straps, this could have been avoided. No accident happened though, I spotted it in time. When I finally saw it, I hurried out of harm's way, secured it and pulled it back together.
ABC, always be sheeting.
The near accident made me realize that there was no reason not to get the back wall properly braced as well.
It's back to lifting it up and putting it down on foundation stones. Now all the posts are on foundation stones. Since I haven't really done it in the right order, I haven't compacted the earth, put down the stones and then put up the posts. The earth beneath the stones might be uncompacted, it might move a bit, it might move a lot. So I'm kind of calculating or planning that I will have to readjust the stones somewhere in the future. But hopefully it will be one or two at a time. How do you like that for a straight line?
I bought a load of used roof plates, which should be enough for the entire roof.
The view is quite nice from up here. I just realized that I put the roof plate, the second roof plate, on top of the scaffolding, so I can't really climb down. I do have a step ladder over there. I'm not having a great day mind-wise. I'm feeling a lot of pressure. It really helps get some roof plates down. It relieves some strain and stresses and stuff. That's as far as I'm gonna get with the next roof plate. So I'm left with a sliver. I don't want to use up another sheet, a complete sheet for that sliver.
So I will put that off for the future.
Time to see if I actually did it right. If I can drive my combine harvester into the shed. I didn't realize how big this build was until I tried to raise the first portal, the first post. And I didn't realize how small it actually is until I tried to park my combine harvester into it. It's just too tight. It's so fucking close. Maybe in reverse. It was extremely important that I was slow and methodic and tried to be perceptive about my surroundings. And as far as I know, I only had one touch. I actually backed this plate up to the wooden structure and I can't see any marks of it. I think it's a great success. I don't see myself as such a good driver yet. So for me, this was really an achievement, accomplishment. I'm starting to learn how to drive machines. I got myself some old boards to go with the old roof plates. Today is a day when I really feel that it's a lot of work being me. I'm building a shed by my own that is larger than what is easy to build by oneself. I'm trying to use as much reclaimed stuff or stuff that I already have as possible. So I'm left with filling in the gap in the top of the wall with smaller pieces. And I'm standing on top of a ladder, straightening used nails. Maybe this is an illustration of why we have the problems we have in today's society. To reuse and reclaim feels like work. I say it's a lot of work being me, but I do enjoy the work. It actually looks a lot better than I thought it would, so maybe there is something in Charlie Munger's saying that the key to a happy life is low expectations.
I do have some joints that I need to strengthen. First is one of the cross braces. I also strengthened two of the ugly half-lap joints for beams and the two butt joints between posts and beams in the middle of the structure. I thought it would feel more like a defeat to have to fix that joint, but it was actually quite satisfying. The last plate of the puzzle. I've been pushing this for the future. Let's cut that overhang away. It cuts really well. Not so difficult that I dreaded. I kind of had hoped when I laid the roof that the first part here, which had 3 meters roof plates, that would be enough, but I can see now that it isn't. I'm gonna cut some shorter pieces of roof plates I have left over, and I'm gonna shimmy them in under so we have that overhang that we need to have. I've got a machine haul! I really enjoy this project, and I feel like doing a proper timber framing project in the near future with mortise and tenons and proper joints. I will watch it closely for some time and see if I need to strengthen it further. If I would have done it properly with mortise and tenons and no extension half-lap joints, I would probably not be worried. Subscribe if you want to see some more, thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment if you have some thoughts. See you around.